Cool.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Today, we're cooking ribs. Now, I gotta warn you, nobody expected it, but it snowed today, so we got a bunch of snow on the ground, but it's not gonna stop us, because we're gonna cook some ribs, and we're gonna put them on the Bronco drum, and we're gonna hang these ribs. I've never done this before, so we're gonna try it today. We're gonna hang the ribs, we're gonna smoke them good, then we're gonna pull them off, we're gonna wrap them, then we're gonna put them on the pellet smoker to finish them off. So, we gotta get to cooking, but before we do that, make sure you click the link down below. You follow me on social media at Instagram and Facebook at NewBQ2020, and go check out the merch link. I got plenty of shirts to order. Find a shirt that's right for you, check it out, help a brother out, and let's get to cooking. Alright guys, we're going to try to figure this out here. We're going to try to double meat hook this. Because I was told that double meat hooking it is much better than single meat hook. That'll be alright. Let's take the first one. Alright folks, the ribs are on the smoker. Got them put on there. They're going to go for about an hour and a half-ish. We'll see how long it takes them. We're going to want to get them around that 140, 145 mark. And then we're going to pull them off. We're going to put them in some aluminum foil with some, I got some Kerrygold butter. I got some brown sugar, some honey. I'm going to put whatever seasoning I used on which set of ribs I did, because I did one seasoning for one set, one seasoning for another set. We're going to try to see what the difference is. You know, one's better than the other, that kind of thing. Whatever rib we use, we're going to put that seasoning in with the brown sugar and honey and butter. You know, just kind of match them up, because that's what we're going to do. We're trying to keep everything separate, but we're going to match up the seasonings and stuff. And then, once we get them wrapped up, we're going to get them put back on the pellet grill, and we're going to let them finish off. Try to get them up to about 206 degrees on the pellet grill, and then we'll pull them off, and hopefully they'll be good to go. Hopefully the bones will be pulled through, they'll be good to, nice and soft, and we'll be ready to eat these suckers. So, anyway, next clip, we're going to pull these suckers off. out. We're going to check them one time here just to make sure. Oh, yeah. Oh, perfect. Perfect. All right. Pull these off. We're going to leave these cutoffs on here to finish up. We're going to cut that up into some beans, but these ribs are done. All right. Let's take these off. Woo-wee. Look at that. Woo. Bones are pulling through real nice. That's gorgeous. Take that one off. Take this one out. Woo-wee, that was doing real nice. Get it out of there. What? Alright, we're going to put a little sauce on them. Alright, a little bit of seasoning just to make it look a little prettier. Okay, move this one. Just make it look a little bit nicer. Alright, I'm going to put these back in the pan. We'll let them set a minute and then we'll cut them up. Alright, y'all, let's cut into it. See what we got. Whew. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Pretty nice and saucy. Alright, we're gonna take a bite. Alright, here we go. There's my rib. Looks pretty dang good, if I gotta say so myself. Nice and saucy. Let's give her a shot. Look at that. Good clean bite through right there. Not gonna lie, it's pretty good, y'all. Alright, y'all, that's all I have for you today. These ribs came out pretty good. I'm pretty impressed by myself. I'm not a rib person, but they're pretty good. So that's going to be it. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. Hit that link below. That'll take you to all my social media. It'll take you to my merch page. You can buy a shirt. So anyway, we will see you guys next time. Peace out. See ya.